Yale Law School professors canceling 31 classes on Monday as students protested Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh. Some students dressed in all black. They staged sit-ins on campus, while others went to Capitol Hill. Organizers calling Kavanaugh, a Yale Law School alum, a real threat to the country. So is this what should be happening at one of the country's leading law schools? Here with some insight is editor-in-chief for Campus Reform, Lawrence Jones. Lawrence, what was your reaction to this?
Well, the first thing was, these are law students. These are people, young people that are going to be our next lawyers, justice, jurists. And they don't understand, based on the professors teaching them about due process, they don't understand the right to face your accuser. They don't understand innocent until proven guilty. Mm-hmm. And so this is the type of nonsense that we've been reporting on the Leadership Institute, Campus Reform, where there is clear indoctrination to these kids. And it's not just that school. We reported on Mississippi State. Mm-hmm. They released some classes as well. But guess what? When one of our reporters went to cover their event, the majority of the people that were there protesting were the faculty members and the professors. They wanted to have a moment of silence and pray for the accused.
Do you think Yale will be fair? Will they now have classes, will they cancel classes for those people who are in support of Brett Kavanaugh?
They probably won't. This is definitely a political agenda, and this really is consistent with what we've been reporting on at Campus Reform about what's happening on the college campuses. They don't believe in due process. Remember the UVA case and the Rolling Stones case, the rape allegations. They released an article without doing fact-checking, without an investigation, and guess what? They got it wrong, and they have to pay these boys. This is a narrative that's happening on the college campuses where they don't want this due process, and they're destroying our constitutional rights as Americans.
Well, this is what Yale Law School released this statement. Individual faculty rescheduled a number of classes on Monday in order to give the community time to discuss how individuals and groups could work together to make their voices heard during the confirmation process. Are you satisfied with that?
No, I'm not. This is mob rule, and I think every American should be concerned because our legislators now are taking their cues from the college campuses. We reported on this years ago, that they don't want people to have a trial. They want this to be tried in the court of public opinion, and we don't get all the facts then.
Okay, Lawrence, thank you for joining us this morning.